Hello and welcome to the Credit Report Rundown. Now, when you choose a service provider, I'm sure you look at certain things. You look at their track record, you look at their reviews, but you also look at their experience. And I think that's no different when it comes to credit reporting. So Victoria, a question for you today. Why does experience matter in terms of credit reporting?
Sure. Well, number one is that if you haven't learnt all of the legislation that surrounds credit reporting, which is the Privacy Act, the Credit Reporting Code, other legislation as well, how are you going to be able to effectively advocate for someone who has an issue with their credit report, right? On top of that, if you have not run many cases with lenders, banks, other credit providers, how do you know how to raise an internal dispute resolution that gives the consumer the best chance to win the fight, whatever that might be?
Yes.
So I've been in credit repair for 15 years altogether. I've been in the finance world since the early 2000s, so a long time. I have run thousands upon thousands of cases. And the other side of the coin is if you don't understand the credit reporting systems properly, question mark as a consumer, are you giving someone your money for something that they don't really know how to handle? So the other thing to be aware of is to only pay someone in credit repair once they've shown you that they actually have fixed what they've promised to fix.
A great summary there. Go with the people you trust. Credit Fix Solutions is no result, no fee. Over 12 years of experience in credit repair, and Victoria herself over 15 years experience. So look out for our details. If you're surprised by anything on your credit report, send it through and let us help you today.